So I just received the ToGuard CE70. Saw it on TikTok, so I thought might as well get one of these. Check it out. It's a 12-inch LCD display. It did say it was IPS though. 2K resolution and 1080p back camera, 2K front camera, dual recording, loop recording, and screen touch. Alright, let's check it out. Feels like a flagship device, like the way you would get a new Samsung or an iPhone. Some instructions telling you that they'll give you a $20 gift card, or how to redeem a free accessory after sharing honest shopping experience, which will help us to improve our product and service. Scan the code, email support team. So you can either, I guess this is a choice of $20 Amazon gift, 32 gigabyte micro SD plus a 4-in-1 OTG card reader, extension cable for rear camera and hardware kit plus GPS module, car vacuum cleaner. This is the product itself. Okay. Rubber tips so that it doesn't scratch up your rear view mirror. Here's the camera itself right here. Got a protective film over it. GPS port, memory card port, AV in, so I guess this is the power, and USB if you want to. That could be the power source as well. The GPS module, rear view camera, power, cigarette lighter. Give you a trim removal tool. These are the straps. That's the instructions. So basically, it goes on like that. So here's the power source. Put that right there. As long as you sneak in a little bit of it, it gets easier. You see how it goes down? There's a little bit of leeway, but it instantly goes inside this trim piece. The cable that was right here is going all the way around. I want it on this side of this trim piece. So just like that. Into here. And I'm just pushing it right into this rain guard. Alright, so I'm putting it behind this, it's called A-pillar. You can see that the cable's right here. I'm literally just pushing it right behind the headliner. It needs to be plugged in the other way. Just like that. I'm going to, oh, okay. Turned on. Alright, so the next thing to set up is the GPS. Okay. Y'all can't see shit. Sorry, I'm facing the sunlight.
Okay.
Huh? Huh? Your GPS goes right here. The piece off. And now I can hide all that cabling. There's a clip right there. And it sits in there like that. So basically it goes in and then latches. I think that's good enough. Probably on this side. Okay. So I put it on the side. Basically like, I don't know if you can see right there, because it's gonna pull my tint off. I already know. If I put it on the windshield, because I have a front windshield tint, it's 50%. Now it's the rear view camera. This part is gonna be, I'm feeling like the most difficult part. My reverse light, I'm supposed to splice into my reverse light, and that's how the camera will know to activate, and that's how the rear view mirror will instantly show me the reverse camera. Not really looking forward to doing this part. This would be my point of view. Here I can see my rear view. If I were to turn it on, this is what you see. I've centered it basically perfectly. Yo, it's plugged in. It don't look too bad. Dude, it's hilarious. What the fuck? I can see Uber drivers putting it right there so that they can see like their passengers and shit. Oh, wow. I'm gonna test out what it's gonna be like to put it just on the rear glass because I don't have a tint there. Because I really don't want to do all the work of installing it outside the vehicle. This is where I want to install it. Something like that. And that's what it would look like. Something like that. But when I back up, I still can't see how close I am. So I'm gonna have to behind the car. It acts as a nice dash cam though. But I'm gonna put it behind the car because I'm gonna be able to tell how close I back up into something. I'm installing the rear view camera. Rub it in. Going back this way instead. Plastic, I'm getting right behind it. You can see it's sticking out right here. Just like that. As I am pushing it in and using my other finger to help it go behind. As you can see, my trunk is full of things. So I want the camera to sit somewhere right here. Yep. So the kit does come with some hardware. Right there. Just my luck, it's upside down. There we go. Front, back. Alright, so now I just need to splice this into a reverse light. Found the cable to my tail light to find out which wire color is the reverse light. Just tap it. That's the front. I'm gonna put the car in reverse. Hey, it's really bright. Like I can see everything. Nice. Overall, as you can see in the footage, I love the camera. I love that it's front and back view. Now that I have a rear view camera on my car that I've never had. Also that it records both front and back is great because then you can really show what's happening in the situation. Both audio files, both video files have audio attached to them, so front and back. Honestly, you can't get anything better for $100. Like front camera being 2.5K, back camera being 1080p, and I don't know, it's just overall a great product. As long as you know what wire work you're messing around with and fabrication, you're set.